IMF and globalization. In globalization encompasses three institutions: global financial market, transitional companies, national governmental linked to each other in the economy, and the military alliances led by the United States, and rising global governments such as the World Trade Organization (IMF) and the World Bank. Charles Derber argues in his book People Before Profit. These interacting institutions created a new global power system where sovereignty in the globalization taking power and constitutionally authority away from the national and giving to the global market and international bodies. Titus Alexander argues that this system institutionalized global inequalities between the Western countries and the majority world in the form of the global apartheid, in which the IMF is a key pillar. The establishment of the globalized economy institution has been both a symptom of the and a stimulus for the globalization. The development of the World Bank, the IMF, regional development banks such as the European Bank for the Reconstruction and the Development, and multilateral trade institutions such as the WTO signal a move away from the dominion of the state as a primary actor and license in international affairs. Globalization has thus been transformative in terms of the reconceptualize of the state sovereignty following United States President Bill Clinton administration and aggressive financial deregulation campaign in the 1990s. Globalization leader overturned long-standing restriction by the governments that limited foreign ownership of their banks, deregulated currencies exchange, and eliminated restriction on how quickly money could be withdrawn by the foreign investor. Impact on the gender inequality. IMF supports women's empowerment and promotes their rights in the countries with the significant gender gap. Scandals. Christiana Larger and her two producers, Strauss Kahn and Ratto, have been investigated by the authorities and have either faced retrial or are scheduled to go on a trial for a variety of offences. Lagarde has been convicted of giving the preferential treatment to the businessman turned politician Bernard Tapie as they pursued a legal challenge against the French government. At the time, Lagarde was the French economic minister. Within the hours of her conviction, in which she escaped any punishment, and the fund's 24-member executive board put to rest any speculation that she might have to resign, praising her outstanding leadership and to wide prospect and she command around the world. Ratto was arrested on 16 April 2015 for illegal fraud, embezzlement, and the money laundering. On 23 February 2017, the Audiencia National Funds Ratio guilty of the embezzlement and sentenced to 41 and 2 years imprisonment. In September 2018, the sentence was confirmed by the Supreme Court of Spain. Alternatives. In March 2011, the Minister of the Economy and Finance of the African Union proposed to establish an African Monetary Fund. At the 6th BRICS Summit in July 2014, the BRICS nations Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa announced that the BRICS continent reserve arrangement with the initial size of the $100 billion, a framework to provide liquidity through the currencies swaps in the response to actual or potential short-term balancing of the payments pressure. In 2014, the China-led Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank was established. In the media, Life and Debt, a documentary film, deal with the IMF policies, influential, and the Jamaica its economy from the critical point of view. Laboratory, or the 2011 independent Greek documentary film, also criticized the IMF. Portuguese musician Jose Mario Bernal, as 1942 album FMI is inspired by the IMF intervention in Portugal through monetary stabilization program in 1977 to 1978. In the 2015 film Our Brand is Crisis, the IMF is mentioned as a point of political contention where the Bolivian population fears its electoral interference.